Good morning children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. I am your grade 4 English teacher beta. Write today's date 22-1-2021. Subject English grade 4. Today we are doing block 19 beta. Persuasive writing. Okay, what is meaning of persuasive? Means see here, good at persuading someone to do or believe. Means to do something. What is the meaning of this? Persuading, to do something through reason. When you are doing something, it should have a good reason and everyone should believe it. Okay. Next, see here, persuade. Now see here, S1, persuasive essay. In this essay, what is our topic? Persuasive essay. See, what is aim of this? Identify the topic, sentence, local reason, evidence and closing sentence. Means what we are going to study today? When we give local reason supported by facts and opinions, it make an good argument. Means in essay, in one paragraph, what you should find? You should find topic, sentence. Local reason means what is the main reason? Common reason. Evidence. Evidence means proof. And closing sentence. Okay. Now what happened? How you'll do this? When we give local reason supported by facts. Local reasons means there are many common reasons. But it should have fact. What do you mean by fact? Which is real. And opinion. Opinion means everyone have different opinion. It make a good argument. When these all are together, local reasons supported by facts and opinions, it make a good argument. So today we will read an essay on sleep. Take out your workbook now. Understood no beta? Today we are doing block 19. We are doing S1 now. See beta. S1 persuasive essay. Page number 15. Write today's date. See, read the essay. Sleep. Label it different parts from the helping box. This is helping box. Topic, sentence. Topic, sentence means what is the main topic and sentence. Closing sentence. How we are closing? How we are ending the essay. Reason. What is the main reason of this essay? Evidence means fact. What is the fact? Means proof. Keep your fingers where I am reading now. Hope you all can see it clearly. It is there in your workbook, page number 15. Sleep is important. Nobody fully understand why we need it. Sleep is very important. Till now, nobody can understand why we sleep, why we need it. But scientists think that the body uses the time to recover and to repair damage. We must give our body enough rest. When we fall asleep, our muscles relax and our sense rest. When we don't sleep properly, we face many problems. Our body and brain do not work properly. If we do not go to bed at the right time, we will be sleepy in class and not learn so much. When we are tired, we may not be able to think clearly, and we may also be a danger to other people. Accidents can happen. We will lack energy and we will not be able to play. Is staying up later really worth it? He's asking. There is some truth in the old saying, early to bed and early to rise makes us healthy, wealthy and wise. The next time someone starts the argument about his or her bedtime, remember, our body needs a break. Means what he's telling in this paragraph beta, he's telling that we don't know why we all will sleep and how we get to sleep. But our scientists are telling that our body needs, when we go to sleep, our body will get time to rest. And our sense organs, you know what are our sense organs? They will get rest. When you are sleeping, your body will recover. Recover means what? Like how phone battery will charge, no? Our body will also be charged. And what happened? You should go early to bed and early to rise. Then what happen if you are not sleeping properly? You may get many health problems. He's telling that. This paragraph is discussing this main points. If you will not sleep properly, you will be in danger. Whole day you will feel sleepy only. Due to this less sleep, what will happen? You may lead to an accident. No? You may trouble other people. So this he's telling in this paragraph. See here, second question. What is the main idea of the essay? What is main idea of this essay? We are discussing about sleep. See, what is asking second one now? Write 2 additional facts and opinions that can be included in the essay. What do you think? 2 things you should include here about this paragraph, sleep. Now let us see now. See beta here how I have divided the paragraph sleep into topic sentence, closing sentence, reason and evidence. See, first one is your topic sentence. Means we are discussing what is the main topic? Sleep is more important. We are discussing about sleep. So this is topic sentence. Write wherever I am writing with your pencil beta. Next is reason. What will happen if you will not sleep? That is the reason. Evidence means what is fact, what is real if you will not sleep. You may met with accident. No, you will not get your energy. That is fact beta. Next, closing sentence. What is closing sentence? That is truth. Go early to bed. Okay, and wake up early makes the man healthy and wealthy. No, this is a closing sentence. So, write like this with the help of pencil. Next one, second one, what is the main idea of the essay? Sleeping is important is the main idea of this essay. Third one, write 2 additional facts and opinions that can be included in the essay. Children, you can write your own words here. See, I am giving you example. If you want, you can change and write your own sentence, okay? See here, beta. First one, fact. A newspaper report states that a sleepy driver met with an accident. Opinion. Sleep is the best way to recover your body. Sleep is very important. Next one. Sleeping helps the brain and heart to work properly. Opinion. All of us must sleep on time. Okay, beta. Understood? How to write it? Hope you all understood. Thank you. Have a nice day.